Here's a quick tutorial on how to change the battery in your Toyota key fob. There's a bunch of different variations, but the process is all very similar. Now they do take different batteries. Ones that look like this are going to take a 1632. These are all going to take a 2032, and these newer, chunkier ones are going to take a 2450. I've linked to all the various battery types in the description below. Pretty much on all these fobs, you're going to want to remove this mechanical key, and you do that by moving this latch over. Or on these, there's a little button you push right there to slide that out. And then you can use your key and a little slot right there. Insert that, give it a twist. Now you have access to your battery. You can usually use your mechanical key to get the battery out, but sometimes just a small screwdriver is a lot easier. Now on all these Toyota fobs, the new battery pops to the side, facing upward. Flip these back together, put your key back in, and you're all set. And none of these fobs are going to need reprogramming once you change the battery. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.